How to use an NFT bot on Instagram quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can use a NFT bot on Instagram and how you can promote yourself on Instagram using a simple bot. So let's get into it. Now, a lot of people are launching their collections on OpenSea, and you often find that you're not getting as much traction as some other new creators. Why is that? Maybe you feel like you've lacked in marketing, maybe you haven't, promoted it properly. Well, a great way for you to be able to get more of your collection out there or to get more people to see your collection is simply by promoting it on Instagram or promoting it on Twitter. And you can use automated bots to promote your collection. So a lot of people think that just because they are launching a collection, just because they have like a really nice collection, like you can see over here, they have a nice collection, it means it will sell out. That's not necessary. You need to make sure that your collection is not only nice, but it also should be able to captivate the viewers. And if you want to captivate people into buying your collection, you definitely should use Instagram. So Instagram is an amazing platform for you to build yourself on the NFT space. Now, I do think that Twitter is still the number one platform, and I would recommend that you go into Twitter and establish some links on Twitter and establish, a good presence on Twitter. However, using a Instagram bot is also a very effective way for you to get your name out there. So to get started with that, all you have to do is you're going to log on to your Instagram account to make sure it is specifically made for your NFT collection. So you can create your account via your email address using the collection name, or if you want to just do it as a illustrator or a artist, you can do that as well. I would recommend creating the name of your account to be the same as your NFT collection name, simply because it's just going to give you a lot more brand identity, which is something you're trying to establish. Now, once you have gone ahead and created your account, how do you use a bot to expand your NFT game, or how do you get a bot to help you in getting more sales on Instagram? So the biggest part about using Instagram to promote your NFTs is to build community, and you cannot build community without liking, following, and viewing other people. So that is the first step that you need to do that you can automate entirely. So you're just going to go onto the Chrome web store and you're going to search for follow, like, view stories for Instagram. And this is a simple Chrome extension. So this is the bot that you're using. You're going to click on add to Chrome. You're going to click on add extension over here. And once the extension has been added, we're just going to pin our extension. And you can see the extension has been added over here. So you can click on your extension like so. And you can see once the extension has been loaded, you can add multiple different tags. You can follow from a specific list. You can also unfollow after 3 days or unfollow from a specific list. Now, what is the purpose of this? The reason for that is every time you follow someone new, you often see that a couple of people follow you. And that is because when you are shown as the active member, so if I'm following these NFT creators on Instagram like this, it is very likely that people are going to see that I'm following them and I am liking their work. So you're just going to go on ahead and like their work, but you're going to just automate this with your bot. And what this does is that this in turn helps the people in interacting with you. So once they see like, oh, this person is looking at my artwork, they are very, very inclined into seeing your artwork and what your NFT account is about. So that is the simple purpose of using the follow and like bot. So what you're just going to do is you're going to add the extension. Once you've added your extension, you can go on ahead and scan for a certain tag like NFT. So you can click on run selected options. And now you can see my Instagram is directly going ahead and exploring this specific hashtag. And now you can see over here that it is going to show me how to like and how to go on ahead and keep on liking these pages or these posts as well. So if you just click on the script over here, so if you click on your extension over here, Now, you can follow these specific people if you want to, or you can just choose to like them, or just choose to do a unfollow after a couple of days. Now, it's going to be super easy to follow from a list, so you can just go on ahead and enter the people's names. So you can see that save people you follow in this list and do not follow them again, and remove them from the list after this many days. Now, you can also choose to pause. You also have settings like, follow people only with profile images, pause for 12 seconds after this many followers, pause for 60 seconds after 200 followers. Now, I would not recommend you speed up these settings. The reason for that is if you are found to be speeding up these settings, Instagram can ban you. Instagram will give you a temporary ban, so don't worry about it. But if you increase the speed to too much, they will know that you are using a automated bot. And once you are using a automated bot, you can get a temporary ban until you re-sign up or re-log into your account. Now, other than that, you can add multiple different tags. So I can run OpenSea, I can add NFTs, and you're going to click on show and hide settings, and I want to like photo, all I want to do, and you're going to click on run selected options. And now you can see over here that simply by adding this specific little code, you can see that it is going to auto like these all on its own. These are just pictures tagged with OpenSea or NFT, and you can see it is liking it on its own. I'm not moving my cursor whatsoever. The bot is automating this entire process. So that is how simple and easy it is to use a crypto bot. And I'm just going to click on stop it, and I'm just going to click on close, so you can stop the bot at any time. Now, another thing you might be wondering, hey, I want to follow from a list, but who are the people that I am supposed to follow? Well, there are certain accounts that will give you good engagement. So these are the accounts that I would recommend you follow. All of these are at the rate of, so I just skipped that. But NFT, NFT.magazine, NFT_news, NFT.charts, Rarible.com, NFT Next, NFT.promo, NFT.now, Meta, OpenSea, CryptoPunks, MetaMask.io, Bored Ape Yacht Club, NFT.money. So these accounts are going to give you a lot of engagement because these are already high engagement accounts. A lot of people are already following them, and it gives you a increased potential of expanding your own community in the crypto sphere. So that is how you use a Instagram liking bot for your NFTs. You can use similar bots or Chrome extensions for Twitter as well, and I do recommend that if you're going to do it for Instagram, do it for Twitter as well, because Twitter and Instagram go hand in hand in the NFT space. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.